So I just found what may have been my entire problem. These two washers here were giving me, whoops, this amount of space between the gasket for the EFI. In fact, you can even see right here where it was blowing out. Oh my God. Here and here where it was blowing out. So I'm gonna pause right here in disassembly, throw the fuel injection system back on and start the thing with no water in it and see if that's the problem. It helps if you want to start your car, you should hook up the battery. It was the stupid carburetor spacer. Oh my God, I feel like an idiot.